feel like if someone would go from America right now and you would be like their only guide, give them like a couple of phrases to survive in Russia. So what would they
Uh,
have to know?
okay. Не бей меня, don't hit me. Пожалуйста. Um, Я не голубой. Somebody thought I was gay because I had on two earrings and shit. And I was like, yeah, nigga boy, and what else? That's all I can really think of. I'm not gay and don't
That's
hit me.
enough.
That should do the job.
Both of them will
Um,
save you from beating.
and maybe я не опасный человек. Like I'm not a dangerous person. That helps.
Right.
Uh, mm, maybe yeah, Americaners, because even some racist people kind of respect Americans a little bit more than like if I'm from Africa,
Right.
some of them see it as a little difference, but
Right.
we're all brothers.
That's true. I agree on that.